Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is a review and an install video on really great strip lights for your house. I researched the internet and I contacted Govee for their strip lights. They make RGBIC LED strip lights. They create the highest quality with the best technology in the world, so I wanted them in my house. Strip lights can go anywhere. I put them in my bedroom first. I put them all around my television. This is how they come out of the box. So they're really easy to pull apart. It plugs into any outlet. And I pulled off the adhesive strip so they easily stuck behind my television. And the cord's long enough to reach up to my TV, and I hid it behind so it's very neat looking. The light is relaxing and it's wonderful to do my computer work too because it's not too bright as I look at my screen. I also like it on that TV when I'm watching TV. Here I am watching it on my YouTube channel, and it's really neat because the light will bop around to the same beat as my music. It's sound activated. That's a video I did on a recent trip to Hawaii with beautiful Hawaiian music, and look at that light up. And even to the sound of my voice as I jump around and tell my story.
And I'm in Maui, Hawaii. I'm in Big Beach.
And in my bedroom at night, sometimes I like to put music on, and those lights will dance to the music I'm playing. It's a great effect for any room. That's how great the Govee technology is. And I love it's also compatible with Alexa, so I can just tell Alexa to turn the lights on and what color I want them. That's amazing! Govee Strip Lights has an app control function, a very unique feature, and what makes Govee Strip Lights special is called a segment control feature that's in the app control display. With this feature, you're able to control different segments of your lights, which is a lot of fun as you create your own custom light show in your home. So out of all the rooms for these lights, my kitchen is where I need them the most. How I install it is I plug it in first, and they immediately go on, so I know they're in working order. And then I unwrap the cord, and I'm going to adhere the switch under my cabinet. And I want my lights to start here. So it's time to take off the adhesive strip. I only take a little bit at a time, and presto, here comes the lights. It's so easy. I tear off the adhesive and I continue peeling the adhesive and just keep pulling them up straight, peel off the next part, and continue. And I'm continuing to pull up the adhesive as I reach for the sky and the top of my ceiling. Here comes the corner. Bing, press it in, and continue. It sticks great. And I'm almost done. And I'm taking it right down this wall. And I used all 16 feet. And we're done. That took me 5 minutes. And whether I want a disco or I press it till I get the white lights. Because when I cook, that's what I want. I press the control for steady on, and now I'm going to go for the color. Because in my kitchen, I like just white on. It's got a blue white light, and it has a beautiful yellow light to give my kitchen a warmth of lighting. But for normal everyday, it's white. So as I cook, I'm going to have all this light, which is what I need, especially at night when I'm making dinner or doing the dishes. Let there be light. Success. Click the link below to get your RGBIC LED lights. What does that mean? Red, blue, green, integrated circuit LED lights. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great videos in life. Like videos that light up your life. Yes! If you like this video, there's some more about other things in the same arena.